Okay, go.
Hi, my name is Troy, and I'm opening this present that I got for my birthday from my grandpa, and now I'm gonna open this thing up.
Be careful with those.
Okay.
Oh, babe, help him.
Mom, help me. Hey, I got
No,
it.
no, 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 no. Hey, careful,
I got it.
careful.
I got it. Okay, guys, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. First, hold on a second.
Oh, it came gift wrap.
We have gift wrap. And now this one says,
Read the card.
Happy birthday, Troy. Sorry it's so late. We love you so much, Grandma and Grandpa. Now let me open
No, no, no. Undo the bow. Undo it, the string. Pull on the loose. There you go. And then straight open it up.
It's my son's birthday. It's my birthday.
Yes, and you gotta get rid of that bit. Open with the bow.
Can't get it. Okay, let's see what I got inside. Wait.
It's not open enough. You can't get it out, babe. It's not open enough. Cut the whole thing for him. Use the scissors for the whole thing, babe. Oh my
Stop!
goodness.
Is there anything even inside of it?
Oh, yeah. Let me open it. Oh, the woman's gonna kitty!
Oh
So
my
I'm gonna put
goodness.
it on top of my buggy.
Still gotta fix the buggy first.
Oh, look. Okay, next. I've got the Lego Movie 2, the Ultra Kitty and Warrior Lucy, which I might now have.
Troy,
Yeah,
for this one, you
Yeah.
see the loose string on the bow?
yeah.
On the new one. Just pull the loose end. Don't pull
This
on the.
one?
Yeah, that's how you do it. There you go.
And then open it.
You should be able to undo it now.
There you go. And then you undo it. Like our tiny ship. There you go. Pull it all the way.
And then you see what that's
Look,
got.
right here. No, no, no.
Troy, you haven't opened it all the way, so nothing's gonna come out.
Open it.
You have to open the bag first.
And I got Queen with Tebra Wanabe. Empress of the system.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
This one's Queen, whatever.
Alright, so we got some cool Lego sets, huh?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna open these up and build them.